to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being a Delight TV subscriber. If you're not subscribed, please do before you finish watching this video. Thank you. So in this video, I'll be cooking some eggplant. As you can see, the eggplant, I'll be frying it with some fish and everything. So let's get into this video and see how I did everything. So in this, the first step, you're gonna not cut it, but clean your eggplant. Take the purple parts off it so it can be all white left. Then you see, as I'm doing it right now, I'm taking all the white part, the purple off it, like peeling the eggplant. So you're gonna peel the eggplant really well, and also you're gonna, after you're done peeling it, after I'm done peeling it, I'm gonna show you what I did next. Please be patient with me. All done peeling the eggplant off, I'm about to cut it up in little pieces. Make sure you cut it up real little as you can. I was having a hard time because I had the camera in my hands at the same time trying to cut it, just to show you how I did it. But yeah. So the next step, you're gonna pour salt on your eggplant and add a bunch of water and squeeze it together to take the seeds from in the eggplant, and wash it real good and squeeze it out and put it in a different pan for it to be ready to fry. Squeezing out the eggplant, as you can see, the water is all brown because I don't know, because of the salt and water that I mixed up and squeezed it really well. So everything is good. Next step is for me to get the oil in a pot ready. So while I did that, I moved on to the fish because I needed to get it ready for the next step. So I'm gonna do the fried eggplant now. Okay, really good. So you fry your eggplant and stir it up real well. Make sure every part of it is touching the oil. Yeah, I start up with little oil because I don't want too much oil in the food. For eggplant, it looks a lot right now, but you'll see at the end, it's gonna all dissolve. So just watch and see. I'm about to fry the fish now. I'm gonna fry the fish as we wait on the eggplant to be ready. It's almost there. The color is changing. For some reason, it's not showing on the phone, but the color is changing. I'm gonna fry it real good, cause wow, we made it to the final look, guys. Thanks for cooking with me today. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and like this video. Please leave a comment. I love comments. I love comments. So it keep me going. It keep me making more videos, because if I don't see anybody commenting, that means they don't want me to do more videos. So please leave a comment, and thank you for watching.